Welcome back to Taste the Word with Julia. Today we will make Mandelhörnchen, which is a classical German soft cookie made with marzipan. For the dough, we need 400 grams of marzipan, 170 grams of powdered sugar, 2 small egg whites, and 70 grams of almond flour. As well, for the topping, we need another egg white, around 100 grams of shaved almonds, and 150 grams of baking chocolate. First, we mix the marzipan, the powdered sugar, egg whites, and the almond flour until you have a proper dough. In case you're in a country where you can't buy marzipan, in the description I will link a video on how to do marzipan from scratch. Put the dough for about 20 minutes in the fridge. That will make it easier to form after. In the meantime, preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius top-bottom heat. Take the dough out of the fridge and divide the dough in about 10 portions. This is for big Mandelhörnchen. In case you want smaller, more cookie-like ones, divide the dough in 30 instead. In case the dough is sticky, use some powdered sugar or water. Roll each piece and form the typical Hörnchen shape. Then place them on a baking tray. Before baking, put some egg white on each cookie and put the shaved almond on top. Slightly press them inside. Then bake the Mandelhörnchen for about 20 minutes. The time also depends on how big you're making them. If they're smaller, they need less time. Just make sure they don't get too brown on top, so they stay soft in the middle. Let them cool down and then cover both ends with chocolate. And they're done, rich in flavor and soft from the inside. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Taste the Word with Julia. Make sure you try the next recipe here.